Dans les rues de pierre, le soleil descend. Un pas tranquille, le temps se détend. Les volets bleus, les voix au loin. Un petit village qui me prend la main. On devait partir, juste passer, revenir. Mais le cœur a dit doucement, reste encore un instant. Oh, Vivier, tu m'as surpris sans rien promettre. Un café, un sourire et le monde s'arrête peut-être. Au Vivier, sous le ciel doré de l'après-midi. On est venu pour un moment, on est resté pour la vie. La vie.
This was supposed to be a very quick stop. In, pick up the shelf, out. Well, that plan lasted about 5 minutes, because the seller and the neighbors turned out to be some of the kindest people we've met. Instead of just a pickup, we were taken on a tour of Viviers, a beautiful historic town in the south of France. And oh, we completely fell in love. Viviers dates back to Roman times and later became an important bishopric town with winding medieval streets, old stone houses, and views over the Rhone that honestly stop you in your tracks. Finding furniture for a chateau is not for the faint-hearted, because when your ceilings are 370 high, normal furniture just looks, well, a little lost. We found this oak library shelf, beautifully stained brown. It's a 1952 remake inspired by much older originals. Actually gives us just enough space to add a cornice while ceiling molding, la corniche, later on, so it will look completely built in. We had seen original shelves of this size at auction, and they sold for over 12,000. So finding this one, honestly, it felt incredibly lucky. By now, we were starving, so following a local recommendation, always the best idea, we stopped for lunch at Restaurant Les Chevaliers, and, oh my goodness, the food was so good that we did what any sensible people would do. We ordered 2 desserts each, because we couldn't choose, and because everything was that delicious. The crepe batter, hands down, the best crepes we've ever had. If you ever pass through Vivier, please stop here, you'll love it. And just when we thought the day couldn't get better, after lunch, we stopped by a small gallery showcasing carreaux de ciment, traditional cement tiles. They originated in Morocco, but were also produced in France and became incredibly popular in 19th century chateaux and homes. The colors, the patterns, each one feels like a little piece of history. Definitely one of those places where you walk in just to look and leave completely inspired.
Yeah.
It is all cracked, small pieces of stones, look.
That's the color they choose. And then what they put in between.
Yeah.
That's not how it looks like on the side. Cement and that.
They mix the color with some liquid.
This is where the story takes a slightly dramatic turn. Somewhere during this beautiful day, the camera disappeared, along with all the video footage and the microphone, gone. To this day, we still don't know what happened to it, which is why this vlog has more photos and only a few short clips. But honestly, the memories are still very much there, and sometimes that's what matters most.
Dans les rues de pierre, le soleil descend. Un pas tranquille, le temps se détend. Les volets bleus, les voix au loin. Un petit village qui me prend la main. On devait partir, juste passer, revenir. Mais le cœur a dit doucement, reste encore un instant. Oh, Vivier, tu m'as surpris sans rien promettre. Un café, un sourire et le monde s'arrête peut-être. Au Vivier, sous le ciel doré de l'après-midi. On est venu pour un moment, on est resté pour la vie. La vie.
Wow.
Une table au soleil, de desserts partagés. On n'a pas su choisir, alors on a rêvé. Le goût du sucre, le rire léger et les crêpes à jamais oubliées. Les conseils des gens comme des cadeaux d'antan. Ici tout est simple et pourtant tellement grand. Oh Vivier, tes histoires murmurent au mur. Chaque pierre chante doucement un passé encore pur. Oh Vivier, entre rônes et souvenirs, même sans caméra, on n'oubliera jamais le dire. Well, 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 on cherchait une étagère, on a trouvé bien plus que ça. Un jour ordinaire devenu rare, c'est comme ça.